We're here with Darrell Jones, and we've been watching his case very closely over the last. I've been watching it for 6 years, and it's been going on for 30 years. And Mr. Jones has some recent developments in his case that we need to discuss. And Mr. Jones, without further ado, please tell us more about your feelings after the hearing last week regarding your motion to compel evidence from the state.
All right. Well, first, let me thank the brother Chris, man. For really, keeping everybody in my family aware and having this blog for me, because that's important. So I thank you too, man. But I want to take this opportunity, and I'll probably be more in depth about my feelings, but I want to take this opportunity to thank, the so many people that popped up and, that came and gave me support. And I was just overwhelmed, with the love and the support that came through on March 22nd. Going to that court, as I explained to other reporters, it was hard on me, because it was the same courtroom that I went to. Well, not the courtroom, but the actual holding cell they brought me to and upstairs. And it was the same place as 30 years ago, And so dealing with that was hard because it just gave me a flashback when I was 18 years old, watching my life being taken away from the same place. So I just kind of want to thank everybody for showing up and, and I'm not mad with the district attorney doing his job, and that's his job, I guess, to try to keep me in, but hopefully he'll prevail to the truth and, know what he's supposed to do, righteously. I think I had a fair shot with the judge. I think the judge is fair, and that's all I can ask for, and I hope it continues to be that way. I really, really, really wanted to, thank a lot of people, but it's hard to do the whole list. But I definitely have to thank my attorneys and, my sister and my wife and various people, for coming through. Even people that, that you don't see, and I always try to make that point, that, people that are so close to me that have been a part of the case and, they couldn't make it. They weren't there, but believe me, important to me, and that won't change one bit. And I wanted to make that point as well. I think Dr. Tim for bringing his wife, and that's just wonderful that he would do that. We have a long-going relationship. This man has played a part in my emotional health. It's been it's been really important to have him. So that's just something I wanted to say personally. And thank all the cousins and seeing my nephews and my niece, and that was just so important to see them and feel them, and that little cute niece of mine. There's just so many things I wish you knew besides what has happened to me. There's a lot of other things that are just good and good people and love. There's a lot of things, but I understand that right now this is the time that my life's under review and I have to deal with that, and I will deal with that, And if anybody that's, connected to me that may be embarrassed or see me different because I had what some may consider to be a breakdown in that courtroom, I'm human, I guess. I would rather take that moment back, but, I was overwhelmed with it. It's been a long time. But again, instead of repeating the same thing over again, I thank my family, I thank the lawyers tremendously, I thank the people that came out, and I just thank the community, and I hope other people will keep listening, because this could happen to you, your kid, and your family, and